video to provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. You can see on the screen the hotel location. Please see more than thousands of reviews of this hotel. You can go to Advika.com. If you visit rank 1 0 excellent. You can see on the screen details like room size, red light, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category 5. Category 6. Is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different weekends and dating policies. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you.